Want to build a consistent art habit without feeling overwhelmed? This class is designed just for you. In today's busy hour, finding hours to sit and create can feel impossible. Between work, family, and daily responsibilities, creativity often takes a back seat. But what if you only need 15 minutes a day? This class is designed specially for those who love art but struggle to find time. No long hours, no pressure, just small, consistent step that helps you to reconnect with your creativity. Because even on your busiest days, you deserve a little time to create something beautiful. Hello friends, my name is Mohini Sinha and I'm from India. And most of you know me as Mohini Art Gallery from my Instagram account. I mostly do nature related painting, mostly related to nature. So this whole class will be related to nature painting. So in this 30-day acrylic landscape painting challenge, we will create beautiful beginner friendly landscapes in just 15 minutes a day. From serene sunset and misty mountain to peaceful lake and cozy winter scene, every project is quick, relaxing, and easy to follow. This class is perfect for absolute beginners as well as anyone looking to reconnect their creativity in a simple, manageable way. By the end of the challenge, you will not only have 30 mini paintings but also a strong daily art routine.